Hey all, it's Cam. So you saw part 3 of the XR250 video. So this is on from that. I have rebuilt the Carby and put it in. I think that was in the video. I put the new air filter in. Take your hand off so it's sitting idling. It's actually running really well. Go for a ride, mate, and let everyone listen to it. So yeah, I've got to do the spark arrestor for it now, but super happy that putting it back together with the new Carby rebuild, it's going really good. And then yeah, when you put the choke on, it dies straight away. So what are you doing? Okay, just stop and take your hand off. Give it a rev. So that's alright, eh? Sweet, man. Well, next thing on this bike, we've got I've got the new tyre and tube to put on. We've got the spark arrestor to put on, and then I've got new graphics to go in it. And I think I'm missing something, but I'm not 100% sure. But what do you reckon of this bike, dude?
That's nice.
Yeah, good old bike, eh?
Yeah.
And it's running heaps better. So what I've changed as well that makes making it run better is the valve clearances are correct. Before the intake valves were too tight, and the intake was too tight and the exhaust was too loose. So sweet, man. Chuck it away. So yeah, I'll start this video up again shortly when I get to the point of doing the tyre. Okay guys, so I'm back out at the shed. I've just quickly made new spark arrestor. It's come up pretty nice. I got the front wheel off. I got my high precision wheel changing tool, the bucket, some trusty Motion Pro spoons. I use 3. Got my new tyre. Put that back together, and I'll take it out for a rip. So I'll get into it now. See, these tyres all cracked. That's just from sitting for years being flat. So we're all off. Now I'll get the tube out. flip it over and get the other side off. So you can see it's all fallen into that side. So that's what you want. And then you just do this, push down on the tire, and that sort of bends it out, and then just voila. Check the rim. Looks really good. Looks really good actually. So while you got your wheel off, you must also check your wheel bearings and stuff. I checked them before. I'm not sure if you saw. They feel good, so all good. So what I do is, since this has got a rim lock, put the tyre over the rim lock now, and then leave it there as you go around. So that side of the wheel's on. So when I put tubes in, I always like reaching away from me to put it in instead of trying to work up close. So we'll get into it. Hopefully you can see. Angle it down a bit. Okay, so I sprayed a bit of Armor Oil, and then this time you want to do the rim lock last. So start over this side and work your way around and get in there at the end. try and use finesse, don't use power. You don't want to pinch the tube. Just work your way around. Definitely recommend investing in a bucket. Yeah, what I'm getting at is you don't need the special expensive changing stuff. It's good to learn how to do it and know how to do it just with basic stuff, especially when you are on the side of the trail somewhere in the mountains and you get a flat. You need to be able to know how to deal with it. If you're on a really big bike, I'm not sure what you do, because I'm not sure I'd be wanting to deal with those big wheels, those massive tires. But people do it. That's not a problem I've got. And then now also, as you get closer to this side, start pushing it down as far as you can, just to relieve as much pressure at the other side. You don't want it on the bead, you want it down. Okay, so she's all in. What you want to do now is put the valve in, put some air in it, get it on the bead. I always then let it out and back up again, make sure everything's up on the bead, and then you tighten the rim lock. And what we say in New Zealand, Bob's your uncle. Got a stupid cough, man. Just tightening the nut just so I can get enough thread to put the valve or the air compressor on it. I always give it a bounce as well. And then I let the air out again. That's just habit. Just in case it's twisted or something. So now what I do is I take this nut off and swap it with this rubber thing and then put the nut on top. So I'll do that and get into it. But yeah, this is the XR. One thing I noticed that when I took the wheel off to change the tyre, this stud, the nut was so tight that I accidentally snapped it. So I'm going to order in a new stud and a nut. They're only, total is about 12 bucks for what I need. So there you go, one XR250. So yeah, I've got a graphic there, and I got XR250 that goes there. New chain, new tyres, my ribbed seat look. Okay guys, so yeah, that's the XR. It's going good. I just dropped the idle down a little bit. So yeah, happy as.